Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I'm gonna go look at your amps real quick. I haven't seen them. Oh gosh. What'd you do to your door? That's solid.
Yeah, I got a new door because that Ruckus and Chilla was broken.
Okay.
So I lost the wrap, but
yeah,
it's 8 layers, spray foam, and wood.
Alright. I like that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the door panel wouldn't fit back on, so
yeah,
gotta have some kind of door handle.
Make it work.
Yeah.
All right. Have you metered it at all? Do you know what it's doing?
It does 160 and a half at 35.
35. Jesus, and that's your high peak, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's your low peak?
No, I haven't found the low.
You haven't?
Yet.
Okay.
I know it does 153 at 20.
Jesus.
So
nice.
Yeah, we'll run the lanes today and then do
okay,
some demos.
Sure. You want to give me a rundown for the video?
4 DC level 618s, LR upgrades. So it's got silver suspension. It's got 4 DC 5Ks, 18 volt, 24 Kinetik HC 16 volt blues, 3 McMahon, 2 on the 16 volt side, 1 on the 12 volt side.
So your voltage is pretty good too, even though you got a lot of power.
I'm still dropping like a fat kid on a seesaw because I got to get the alternators rebuilt.
They are okay.
So Jonathan, Patrick, and I worked out a deal.
Yeah. All right. Awesome. Can I see the alternators just for the video?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. I'll get a demo after you get on the meter.
All right. Cool.
Let your subs stay cool until then.
Yeah.
You can lose over almost a dB, especially at your level with your coils getting hot.
So I got the 216 volt over here. It's pretty dirty. It's all right. And then I got the 12 volt over there.
How many cubes in your box? Do you know that one?
The rear is 27.1. The front is 19 and a half.
Wow. So tune really low in the back, you can tell
28
too. 28.
28 in the back, 49 in the front.
49. Okay. Nice. Awesome. I'll catch you in a little while, man.
All right, man.
Thanks for the intro.
And so, why my if you take me up and show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley, I'll make your balloon pop.
Yeah, holy crap.
Dude, David shit is just all over the place all the time.
Yeah, damn.
Is it loud?
No.
It's brutal.
Careful. 120.
That's not bad. I've been to 240 before.
240.
Yeah, fives. They can take about 400 max.
AKA the independent variable. Trying God, I was hurrying up the whole trying to blow it up. from working that way too. Like, you ain't heard of.
You smell them.
Yeah,
Holy crap. Jesus. Dude, that's like high 50s on music.
Yeah, it did a 59 at 20, or at did a 59 at 34 the other day.
Man.
Yeah, they're a little warm.
Yeah. And it's very musical too.
Yeah, voltage is dropping kind of low because I need to get 2 alts rebuilt.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying that. Yeah.
So.
Yep.
Yeah, we're at 154 degrees in the
Wow.
sun.
I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah,
Holy
man.
smokes.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Awesome. Yes. Whew. What was your name?
Dave.
Dave. All right. That's a squeezer. How low does it play down to? Have you ever tried testing?
The lowest I've played, and it didn't have mechanical issues, was 20 hertz.
Okay.
But the lowest it should play is like 25.
25? Yeah.
It does 156 and 25.
Wow. Awesome, man. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
That was awesome. Let me get in there real quick with the blue. That looks good.
Yeah, man, absolutely.
I would check the subs too.
That's what I'm about to do.
I always do, yeah. It's good to check them. You never know. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
How much port area do you know?
A lot.
I would say, if I guess, probably 1250.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Front is tuned to 49.
Yeah.
That's hot.
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 Woo! Wow. About to cool off.
Yeah.
You ain't heard of.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.